Hi guys, in this easy and quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Instagram with make.com. This is going to be, like I said, a quick and easy video. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on more here after you log in into your make.com account. You just need to click here, it says more. Okay, now after, guys, you click on more, you want to click here on connections. Now it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, it says here you haven't created any connections yet. So this is also my first time. Okay, it says here connect more than 2,000 plus apps. As you can see, connections and authorized third-party apps that you grant access permission to use with make.com. Now connections are the first step when building your scenario. Open scenario builder and start adding models of apps you want to connect. Now, guys, you just need to click here on open scenario, okay, builder, and you want to like add here you want to connect the Instagram. Now if it's not pop up like this, just need to click on this plus and then you will be able to see all these options. Now you just need to search here for Instagram, okay, and you want to select the first one that says here Instagram for business. Okay, so after, guys, you click on Instagram for business, then you can select an event, for example triggers when the subscribed event is received, or get user insights or get media insights. You can just choose create a real post. Okay, you just need to select here. I'm just going to go with this one, which is like watch event. Now after that, guys, you then want to create web hook. As you can see, it says create a web hook. Now after that, guys, you just need to click here create a connection. As you can see here, guys, after that, okay, it says here my Facebook connection. Of course, Facebook is connected with your Instagram, so there will be like Facebook will open on a new tab, and just try to log in, and then you will ask you guys to log in. As you can see, it says here authorization. Then you want to select here your own Facebook and then click on continue, and that's exactly, guys, how you can connect it. Hopefully this tutorial, guys, helped you. This is not a full tutorial, okay, of course, but you can always ask me in the comments for what problem you have, and then I will reply to you guys. Okay, I try to reply to everyone. Yeah, see you guys next tutorial. Drop a like and see you guys next tutorial.